I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the console, removing the Joy-Con, and working on a clean, static-free surface. Use the tri-wing to remove the 4 rear screws, then a small Phillips for internal screws. This exposes the button board. Once open, make sure to note which screws go where and gently lift the board. Don't yank ribbon cables. You need the spudger to unclip connectors. This gives access to the contacts so you can inspect for grime or misalignment. With the board exposed, you clean the button contacts because dirt and oxidation cause sticking and unregistered presses. Use 90% plus isopropyl on a swab to remove residue from the metal contacts and the underside of the plastic button pads. Allow time to air dry. Once clean, realign the conductive pads and ensure the rubber membrane sits flush. If springs are bent or pads are torn, replace them. Proper tension and alignment restore reliable electrical contact and consistent button travel. Reassemble the Joy-Con carefully, reversing disassembly. Reconnect ribbons, set the board in place, and tighten screws just until snug so you don't strip threads. Once done, attach to the switch and run button tests in settings. Press each button slowly and rapidly to check for ghosting or misses. If buttons still fail, try swapping in a known good rubber pad or board. That isolates whether the issue is the membrane, contact plate, or soldered traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.